delicious pasta sauce from canned tomatoes. I heat some oil in the pan and then add my onions and a little bit of garlic. Let those get nice and fragrant and clear. Then I add my Italian seasoning, give that a stir. Oh, it's so aromatic at this point. Add my tomato paste, put it all in there, give it a little stir, let it caramelize just a touch, then add the canned tomatoes and a little bit of chili flakes if you like. At this point, we're going to just let it cook down, no lid, stir once in a while, stir, and then if you decide you don't want it chunky, then you can use an immersion blender to puree it just a little bit. Don't over blend, just to a nice consistency. Taste test, add salt, pepper, more Italian seasoning if you'd like, maybe some more garlic powder. If it's too acidic, maybe a little bit of sugar or baking soda. Give it a final taste test, let it cook, make your pasta, and voila, dinner is ready.